This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cindy Arnold. A cute getaway or an affordable year-round residence. Step into this open floor plan, 2-bedroom/2 bathroom condo that is located in the gated 55+ community of Kings Point in the Knolls. The Knolls is special because of its unique architecture, lush landscaping and mature trees. There is laminate flooring in the main area in both bedrooms and ceramic tile in foyer, kitchen and bathrooms. Split bedrooms for added privacy for your guests. Granite counters and plenty of wood cabinets in the kitchen. For added space, this condo also has an enclosed lanai featuring an additional storage closet for those extra needs. There is a Platinum KPW plan already in place which can be prorated and transferred at close. Dedicated parking place is under the carport and directly in front of the condo for easy access. This association also boasts an electric plug-in for a golf cart. The Knolls also has their own private swimming pool just steps away, plus the many amenities at the north and south clubhouses of Kings Point. This community features its own private pool and has a grilling station. Located between Sarasota and Tampa, the perfect location for a convenient ride to airports, great shopping, dining, professional sports and entertainment. With easy access to award-winning white sand beaches, this is the best of all worlds, but without the stress of traffic and big city life. Leave it all behind and enjoy your new life here in one of the country's highest-rated 55+ communities. For more information, review the details below.